Hello friends, this is Miss Rini, your virtual teacher's assistant, and today's brain break we're going to do hands and feet hopscotch. As you can see on the floor, we have a bunch of hands and feet. You are going to put your hands where you see hands and your feet where you see feet. Teachers and parents, you can do this yourself by tracing your hand and feet and then pasting it onto or printing it out and taping it to the floor. I am going to demonstrate for you and going to see how many we can do in 2 minutes. So this brain break takes 2 minutes. I'm going to set my timer and okay, go.